Well, today the Texas Medical Board unanimously adopted rules clarifying when doctors can perform abortions under the state's near total ban.
In Texas, abortions are banned unless a woman's life is in danger or she's at risk of losing a major bodily function. Earlier this year, attorneys petitioned the board to clarify the law after multiple women sued the state of Texas, saying they were denied abortions despite facing dangerous complications. KVUE's Isabella Basco joins us live from the KVUE newsroom with more on this new guidance. Isabella?
Well, Brian and Ashley, doctors in Texas face losing their medical license or up to life in prison if they perform abortions. And that's why some say that this guidance is critical.
I was actually lucky.
Amanda Zarowski really wanted a baby. After more than a year of fertility treatments, she became pregnant with a daughter, Willow. At 18 weeks, everything changed. She experienced severe complications, and under the state's near-total abortion ban, her doctors made her wait until she developed sepsis, a life-threatening condition, to treat her, jeopardizing her health forever.
Every day that we wait to take action, more people are being harmed.
Harm the Texas Medical Board is now trying to alleviate.
One does not need to wait until imminent harm is about to happen in order to act. And I can't emphasize that enough.
On Friday, the board voted unanimously to adopt guidance clarifying when doctors can perform abortions under the Medical Emergency Clause and pulled back the curtain on how it will investigate if an abortion was performed illegally. The rules specify doctors have 7 days after performing an emergency abortion to complete documentation to explain their decision.
It is the duty of the physician to be able to make that judgment call and be able to admit the patient and be able to do what is necessary to save that patient's life, even though if it's not an imminent harm.
Friday's decision comes after the board's initial proposed rules sparked criticism from doctors, Texas women, and other stakeholders, who said the proposal further complicated the law and put women in more danger. Specifically, doctors would have had to document whether they tried to transfer a patient by any means available to a facility with a higher level of care to avoid an abortion. That rule was taken out.
You really don't want to get in between that physician-patient relationship and the nuances that are involved there that are really, frankly, going to be different from one case to the other.
Attorneys Steve and Amy Bresnan filed the petition with the board to establish the guidance. The Bresnans and others say the guidance doesn't go far enough, not spelling out conditions or giving examples of when abortions can legally be performed.
It's a long, dark road. This is just the beginning, and there were some improvements. I don't know what that will look like in practice on the ground. I guess time will tell.
And the board will now prepare an order and send it to the Texas Secretary of State. Once it's been on file for 20 days, the rule will go into effect. Live in the newsroom, Isabella Basco for KVUE News.